Hello everyone. Today we are going to see unboxing of Jetin 1100 and we'll see how to perform D-dimer on it. So let's start. So I'm opening it. This is Jetin 1100. It's a compact device for your laboratory needs. The box will be containing one warranty card, one user manual and the power adapter, the data cable and the printer rod. So let's power on the instrument. I'm connecting the adapter. Jetin 1100 is a point of care device. It is based on immunofluorescence technology. It can be used for cardiac markers like D-dimer, troponin I, NT-proBNP, inflammation markers like PCT, CRP, fertility markers like beta-HCG, and even for hormones. So this is how the instrument will look like after switching on. So this is the D-dimer test kit. The kit will be containing kit insert, 25 disposable pipettes and 25 test cards. There will be one calibration SD card and 25 diluents. Let's start the procedure. So, first step is calibration with SD card. This is the SD card. Insert the SD card in the slot. Then press the OK message. This is one-time calibration for whole kit of 25 tests. Remove the SD card. To enter patient details, press on the plus button. Enter name, age and gender. Then we have to select sample type. For D-dimer, plasma and whole blood can be used. So we are using whole blood today. So we will select whole blood here. Then after that, click on the tick button. Now it is finished. For collecting sample for D-dimer, we use sodium citrate tubes. So I'll take one test card out. Then I will take one disposable pipette. This pipette is actually 100 microliter pipette. You can use other normal laboratory pipette also. I am taking the sample. So I have collected 100 microliter whole blood sample. Now I am mixing the sample with diluent. You have to mix it for 10 times. So after mixing, from the diluent, I will take 100 microliter. You have to add the sample in the test card. Take the test card, immediately insert in the slot. Then press start button. So the countdown will start. Once it is 0, it will give you the result. So the total test time will be 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the result has come. The result is less than 0.1. So it is a negative result. So as you can see in the slip, whatever comes less than 0.5 is negative and above 0.5 it is positive. Thank you.